In Islam, you have a rule that's called the shufa'a, which means preemption. And what that means is that if they are selling a property, some property or house and real estate and things like that, then what happens is the neighbors, somebody that's a neighbor, they have the first choice on accepting it or refusing it. So that's one of the rules that they talk about in Islam. And what happened is the scholars, they had gathered in Ta'if, the Lajna Daima, the permanent committee, and they talked about this issue about waterways and even small houses and things like that. And they agreed that it was appropriate to give the preemption to the neighbors on these different things that are there. And these are based on the hadiths from Rasulullah and the saying of the ulama. And bear in mind that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that the neighbor has the right on a person. And even in the time of Rasulullah the Rasulullah mentioned so many rights for the neighbor that they thought that it might be ordained that the neighbor gets an inheritance. And in the hadith from Rasulullah it says, La yu'minu, a person does not believe unless he loves for his neighbor what he loves for himself. So these hadiths that talk about that. So a person, the neighbors have the right on the person. And one of the rules in Islam is that they have the first choice in buying property or something like that the person that they're selling. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best, and may peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.